For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
In a recent turn of events, West Bengal government has once again modified the dates for its bi-weekly complete lockdown. The state government has revised dates for the sixth consecutive time in less than 3 weeks. According to the government, the lockdown on Friday has been withdrawn, Wide Order number 289, CS 2020. This decision was taken to avoid disruption of bank operations in the state.
The decision to withdraw the complete lockdown on August 28th was taken after several communications were received citing difficulty to conduct businesses and banking operations because of 2 days lockdown during Thursday, August 27th and Friday, August 28th in the last week of the month, followed by the one-day lockdown on the following Monday, August 31st.
As per the latest government order, the revised lockdown dates for this month are 20th of August, 21st of August, 27th of August and 31st of August.
The state government has considered the requests for the relaxation of the lockdown as would be necessary and essential. Therefore, in partial modification, lockdown on Friday, August 28th as noted earlier is hereby withdrawn.
Ever since West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee had announced the bi-weekly lockdown on the 28th of July, the state government has repeatedly modified its dates. The government had also revised the dates of lockdown as it was coinciding with Ganesh Chaturthi and Muharram festival. Hours later, the dates were once again revised as they were coinciding with Balram Puja and Quit India movement anniversary. As per the government, the lockdown days will continue to see strict measures with no public transport or function of trains. The state government issued a detailed guideline for partial lockdown in the state. Grocery and medical shops will continue to function. Petrol pumps will continue to operate during the lockdown. The essential services will also be allowed to operate. All the government and private offices will remain closed. The commercial establishments will also be shut. Public and private transport will remain shut as well. Domestic flights and trains will continue to be suspended during the lockdown, and all the malls and market complexes will also be closed. However, the opposition has criticized Mamata Banerjee administration for modifying the dates repeatedly.
It is a totally incompetent government. They had to modify the dates 6 times. They have found a new alibi saying that banking services will be disrupted. Why didn't they consider it in advance? The government does not want to impose lockdown one day before Muharram on August 29th. The state government is indulging in blatant communal politics even on the issue of a pandemic.
Even CPIM leader Sujan Chakraborty said that the government has made the lockdown a farce. At present, West Bengal has registered 1,04,326 COVID-19 cases, with 26,003 active cases and 76,120 discharges. The COVID-19 death toll in the state stands at 2,203.